Hi everybody, today it's December 21, Monday, 5 in the morning in New York. The room is full of darkness, but the messages are full of light. We are now 1 week before going to the new dimension, totally new dimension, new energy, new frequencies, new vibrations, new relationship between me and me, new options to really get a ticket from ourselves to the new life. And it's exactly what I said in all my lectures the day that we will create a vaccine for this COVID-19. We will create another mutation that much more stronger, much more killer, much more. But why? Why we create it? Because we need that to go inside and to try to change priority and to develop inner world and to really pass to the January 21, because it's going to be totally new vibration. So, few things. In the last few weeks, I developed Previrus Technique. To check Previrus Technique. It's in 3 places: in the faucet of the idea, clavicle bone, and in the digestive spirit system. So, first of all, I'm inviting you to check with me if one of them is missing, if 3 of them is missing, because if one of them or 3 of them is missing, it means you're in your way to create the virus, because the virus is not coming from out. We create it, it begins from us, like everything, and so we can work on it, and then you don't need to swim in shit. That's number 1. Second, generally I recommend to get the vaccine. Of course, you can check with me to get this Pfizer vaccine or whatever, but I have to work on the person that get the vaccine from half an hour to 1.5 hours from far. Why? That it will not be side effect, not shortly and not in a long term, and to make the body stronger and to make the vaccine really work in all the dimension. Even the vaccine is not 100% covered from the new mutation that already began in England, and it was amazing that the same day that Israel got to vaccine people, we created in London the new mutation. And I said that in all my lecture. It will be the same day, but this new mutation, it's much more stronger, much more killer, much more faster spread it. So it's really something that, and why we create it, we create much more stronger too, because if you create something and you're not really changing things inside, or you're not fully changing things inside, you create something more stronger, like everything in life, to try to do the work inside. So we have to move from in 1 week to a new dimension, new frequencies. Everything will be different. So again, I remind you, check with me the Previrus. If you have all the 3 of them energetically, the faucet of the idea, clavicle bone, and digestive spirit system, it means you can kiss with the people that has COVID and not to create it. If one of them is missing, or 3 of them is missing, if 3 of them is missing, it's really dangerous, and it means you can in 1 week create this virus. So check with me, and also if you decide, or you have or you want to check with me if to get the virus, to get the vaccine or not, check with me, and if you put yourself in the first priority and ask me to work between half an hour to 1.5. Each one is different, because we are like popcorn, and the system are different. So I'm in New York till Thursday night, and take all the vitamins that you need. Take the D, take the women above 50 has to take woman bone support, because it's connected to the bone density, that connected to all the system in the body. So that's very important. So this is few messages from the darkness room in New York. Bye.